Three things you're supposed to know when you come to delivery for Sparkdriver. First one, if your order has alcohol or cold medicine, when you get to the customer house, you're going to need to scan the customer ID. Without that, you won't able to complete this delivery. Sometimes the app's going to allow you to scan it, but most of the time, what I experience myself, I have to manually put everything. So I don't know if it's the same thing for you. If it is, if you have the same problem, just let me know in the comment section too. I would like to know. And after you put the customer information, you're just going to give the customer the phone to sign, and after that you're going to able to complete the delivery. The second thing you need to know when you come to delivery for Sparkdriver, why now the Sparkdriver allow a customer to set a password or a passcode, whatever you want to call it. So when you get to the customer house, if you don't get the passcode, you won't able to deliver the order, because right now there is so many items missing. The customer want to make sure they get what they order. They don't want nobody to steal their stuff. Sometimes people say the delivery and they did not deliver. They want to make sure you get there. That's why they set up a passcode. So every time you're gonna deliver this order, you have to call the customer, you outside. So if you can come give you the passcode, that would be nice. Or if you want to give it to the phone, you're just gonna put the passcode and you take a picture, and after you're good to go. The last thing you're supposed to know when you come to deliver for Sparkdriver, you want to make sure you follow instruction. A lot of people fail to do that. Sometimes the customer tell you in the instruction you have to leave the order in the back. You end up leaving the order in the front. That's bad, and they not happy about it, and they gonna give you bad review. You want to make sure you keep your review like 4.7 or higher. You make sure you follow instruction, guys. That's very important. That's proof that you are professional, you know what you're doing. Okay, that's all for the video. If you have any questions, just let me know in the comment section. I'll see you in the next video. Peace.